Fellow Blender enthusiast, this video is about why I did not use Blender 4.2 until now. Today we are back with some test renders from the latest version of Blender. In this renders the focus is on the capabilities of EEVEE Next, which is now fully integrated with the 4.2 release. The EEVEE Next project was aimed at modernizing viewport rendering, address technical debt, and overcome existing design limitation. Now we can use ray tracing capabilities inside EEVEE itself, which is a massive upgrade, and it also brings denoising as well along with it. The first render was created using by Nate Levin's amazing Blenderverse shaders, and I would love to go in depth on how to use it and get amazing 2D results. Now you can get some great realistic renders from EEVEE, which makes it so easy because of its fast renders, and now with higher realism. This update came almost a few months back, but I waited for Blender to release a release candidate which is still not the complete release, but it has reached a stage that it can be used for testing and may be released. So, I thought now is the right time to test its capabilities since it is nearing completion. Also in this video I have teased the glare node inside composite node for the bloom effect and other glare effects. I think this update is great, though a lot of the users who are coming from Blender 3.x version will have a little trouble getting used to, but for me it's a welcomed feature. Having said that, enjoy the renders and let me know in the comments below what you think of it. Thanks for watching. Happy blending.